Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting new update on Roblox, how to share your QR code using your PC. This simple process will help you connect with friends and expand your gaming community effortlessly. Let's get started. First, to kick things off, you'll want to open Roblox on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features you need. Once you've got Roblox open, look towards the top of the page and click on your username. This will direct you to your profile, where you can share your gaming adventures and connect with friends. Next up, you'll see a QR code icon right beneath your username. Click on this icon, and voila! Your unique QR code will appear on the screen. This is your ticket to sharing your profile with anyone who scans it. Now, to utilize this feature, simply ask your friends to scan that QR code using their mobile devices or any QR scanning app. They'll be able to access your profile and send you friend requests or join you in your Roblox games instantly. And that's it. You're now ready to share your Roblox QR code with ease. This update makes connecting with friends faster and more convenient than ever before. Don't forget to try it out and let your friends know how they can join in on the fun. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on all things Roblox. Happy gaming!